Hi folks, Strange RV Tours here. I'm Janet, husband's Greg, and we're at KRIVER Campgrounds. And we're in Moyers, Oklahoma. This is middle of nowhere, but a great place. Come and join us and I'll show you around. Well, anyway, they have canoes and little boats, and this is pretty cool. They have some billy goats. They're playing. It's a free roam chickens and roosters. Pretty cool. Oh man, there he goes. See, a couple lambs. There's a mama lamb. A couple billy goats. Say hi. Isn't that cool? They're having a great time. Okay, we'll take a walk around. Yeah, they had a big bike rally thing here last weekend apparently. That's us over here. Full hookup. It's gorgeous out here with all the trees. And we're right here on the river. Got a pond. Has some cabins to rent. Fire pits. In almost every site. Pretty cool. Aren't those cute? That little barn. There's this KRIVER Campground. No trash on river, no glass on river. Swim at your own risk. Yeah, that'd be pretty risky. It'd be a good little point to fish off of though. Yeah, we're way up here. Looks pretty muddy. I know we had rain a few days ago. There's a squirrel in the tree. Yeah, I don't know if I'd risk taking a canoe or anything. I don't know. I guess if you're experienced. But yeah, it's really quiet. Except for the roosters in the morning. They start early. Little ramp. Yeah. Looks like somebody's just used it recently. That is so cool. Pretty neat. And they got a stage set up here. That'd be neat. This would be a great place for a bike rally. Really would be. Here. And I don't think anybody's around, so I'm gonna see if I can see inside. This is cute. This is so cute. Look at it way up here. It's way up here. This is awesome. Look at that. You see inside? Yeah, isn't that cute? Nice little bed there. Bathroom. Little AC unit, little heater unit. It's got a little microwave in there. Little coffee maker. Little fridge. It's so cute. It's awesome. Wow. Yeah, it's a tree house. It's cool. Yeah. Here's the fire pit. A big old smoker over there. Wow. Enough wood for forest fire. That is awesome. We played cornhole. That's pretty cool. They got volleyball there and volleyball net. It's pretty neat. Little tire swing. How fun. And sites go all the way back over there too. There's the river. Here's the duck pond. Yeah. I didn't bring anything to feed them. Probably don't want us to feed them anyway. Look at, aw. Hi, babies. I don't have nothing. Sorry. I don't have anything. Babies. I wish I did. I'm sorry. Man, you're ugly though. Look at you. I could sit here all day and watch them. I'd have to bring them something to eat. Yeah, these are cool up here. You see they've got beds in them? How neat is that? How cool. Yeah. That'd be fun. It'd be kind of roughing it, kind of not. Yeah. The horses. Cool. Yeah. Here you go, guys. This is the office on the back side. We got people. Just to let you know, this place has like at least 61 RV spaces. A lot more tent spaces. I mean, they've got it spread out throughout the tents, and they got electric. They got full hookups, you know, for RVs. They got cabins. Got wildlife. They got like a what do you call a little farm here, I guess. Kitty zoo. There you go. The chickens, they're running all over. They run wherever they want. And the duck pond's cool. The river's cool. Anyway, hope you like this. Anyway, this is a great place. It just is. It's quiet. It's been lovely. A little overcast today, but it's nice and cool. Love it. If you liked this review, do a thumbs up. If you like what we do throughout all our videos, show you what we're doing and where we're going and what happens with the RV, everything, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks, y'all. See you again.